How to search for a course. If you enrolled for all courses on the platform and you would like to look for a specific course on the Online Efiko, first log in with your username and password. Then go to the two lines at the top right side of the page. The menu will drop down. Click on Course, then on All Courses. It will show you all the courses on the platform arranged in different categories. You can surf through these categories and select the course that you desire. Or, if you know the name of the course that you want, go to the search box, type the name of the course, as I am doing right now, and click Go. The course will show on your screen. Click Preview the course to take it.